Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Mary Grace Taktay Marzan. I'm 34 years old, single, no kids. I live in Umingan, Pangasinan, Philippines, and I'm a high school graduate. My work experience is I work for 4 years and 2 months here in Philippines as a helper, as a family helper, serving 4 members of the family, 2 adults and 2 kids, ages 4 and 6, boy and girl. My main duties are general cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, marketing, and taking care of kids. Also, I work for domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for 9 months only because my employer is they're going back to Dubai. I serve for 7 members of the family, including 5 adults and 2 kids, ages 4 and 6. Also, they're both girls. My main duties are general cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, marketing, taking care of kids. To my future employer, please hire me as your helper. And I'm a hardworking, dedicated to my work, loving and taking good care to your kids. And love as my family. Thank you.